So welcome back for day number 29 and 30. And I'm starting to put the rest of these 32-foot I-Joist in. And again, as I mentioned before, of course, this 32-foot I-Joist cannot span 32 feet. But I will have two load-bearing walls underneath this. I think the max span will be like 13 feet. So well within its boundaries. But for now, I'm putting this up here. That way I can start working on my roof to get in the dry. And I'll put some temporary support up underneath it. But they were quite difficult to get up there. But, well, just like anything, one board at a time, one side at a time, and one nail at a time, and we're getting them in here. But just got the rest of these up. And again, between the 2 different days, I was able to get the rest of these up, and I started working on the subfloor after that. And I believe this is day number 30 here now. And it was quite the chilly day, but again, not too bad. We got it done. Now, as I wrap up the last 2 here, I was able to get all these in. I can start working on my subfloor, and that wraps up the last 2 days. But don't forget to like and subscribe and to push that notification button so you know when that next video is coming out.